Hey guys, welcome back to Filmora Mobile Course Season 2 and we are at the last episode, that is episode number 6. Today we are going to edit party videos, that is your office parties or your birthday parties at home or any event using the smartphone itself. That is, we will be using the Filmora Mobile app for Android and iOS. So let's dive in. Download and install Filmora Mobile app. The link is in the description. Before I add videos and do the editing part, let me explore some resources which you can use for your party videos. So let's start with effects. You get some very interesting glitch effects that you can use for music videos, and also some retro effects, some play effects which are very interesting, especially this one where the portrait is recognized and clones are made so it looks like this. There is even a dedicated tab for party effects. So before you add the videos into your project, you can simply go through these effects, then add the video to apply those effects automatically. What I like most about Filmora mobile app is it can detect the portrait figure with the help of AI portrait and applies the effects to the person dancing or singing, and there are some audio visualization effects as well which sync with the beats of your music. So before you import the videos, go through these effects. Since the effects are like endless, you can go to the trending tab to check the most trending effects, templates and music videos and make videos without wasting any time. Filmora mobile app has the biggest collection of pre-made templates, and there is even a tab for music. So if you're creating a music video, you can do that within a minute simply by replacing the demo videos with your own. So go ahead, download the Filmora app using the link in the description and check yourself how cool these videos are. I have just shown you this clone effect, so this is how it looks. To save time, you can simply search for the templates according to the theme of your video. So for Christmas, you can find these amazingly made projects. You can even get ideas from these videos. All these stickers effect can be found in the resources as well if you search for it. Lastly, I want to briefly show you the music resources. So you get different themes, mode and genre. You can search for music depending on the theme of your videos. Simply listen to the music and use accordingly. Now let me show you how to edit the party videos. Import the videos first into your Filmora project. So this is an event coverage. You get pan shots of the event, then a shot of the crowd cheering. Then other shots include zooming out, zooming in, and also a shot from a distance, maybe from a top of a building. If possible, take a pan or zoom shot from the stage itself with the crowd in the background. Now if you have just pictures or maybe a steady shot, with the help of keyframes you can animate the videos. So add a keyframe here, move the playhead a little bit, then zoom in and add another keyframe so you get a zoom in animation. You can also rotate the videos and add keyframes which will look really cinematic. Now these videos are from an office party. You don't get enough space to move around, so keyframes can be your best friend here, and also you can add effects and stickers. Obviously you get access to all the effects and stickers I have shown you. So these kind of effects make your videos so interesting. The music resources can be accessed from here. You also get AI music where you can create your own music using AI according to the theme of your party. As I showed you before, there are some specifically made party effects for you to choose from. So click and see a preview for your videos. Using a proper text title or intro for your party videos makes it more interesting, and with some specifically made party templates you can use pre-made animations with text. For example, this is for a new year video, so resize it and place it at the beginning. So with the Filmora mobile app, you get so many resources to choose from for your party videos. So next time you have a birthday party, your anniversary, or maybe an office party, any festival event, create amazing videos right from your phone, from adding effects, stickers, music, animation, titles. You get everything in this mobile application, so definitely try it out. Also check out other episodes in this Filmora Mobile course. The playlist is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the season 3.